In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line on Lucidchart. First, open your web browser and head to lucidchart.com. Once the site loads, you'll be taken to your dashboard or home screen. Interfaces can change over time, but you're looking for a way to start fresh. Find the option to create something new and choose a blank diagram or blank document. This gives you a clean canvas so you can focus on the basics without any distractions. When your blank diagram opens, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see the canvas in the center, a toolbar, and a panel on the left that houses your shapes library. If you don't see the panel, look for a small arrow or toggle to expand it. This left-hand area is where you find the building blocks for diagrams, and it includes the line tools as well. Now, within that left panel, locate the option for lines. Depending on your view, you might see a simple diagonal line icon. Click it to activate the line tool. You'll know it's active when your cursor changes, usually to a crosshair or a drawing indicator, signaling that you're ready to draw. To draw a line, move your cursor onto the canvas, click where you want the line to begin, and drag to where you want it to end. Release the mouse to place it. If you need a perfectly straight line, hold the Shift key while you drag. This snaps the line to common angles like horizontal, vertical, or 45 degrees. If the line isn't quite the length or angle you want, select it and drag one of the endpoints to fine-tune it. You can also click and drag the line itself to reposition it on the canvas. Once the line is placed, you can style it so it looks exactly the way you need. Look for formatting options, typically at the top or right side of the screen. Here you can adjust thickness, color, and whether the line is solid or dashed. You can also add arrowheads to one or both ends if you're indicating direction. If the line sits too close to other elements, zoom in for precision, or use the grid and snapping features to align it cleanly. And remember, if you make a mistake, Control or Command plus Z will undo your last action. That's it. You've gone from a blank canvas to a clean, customized line in Lucidchart. With this foundation, you can connect ideas, highlight flows, or build more complex diagrams with confidence.